All right, I'm going to show you the inside of the NFL contract chart. The instructions are laid out step by step, so I'll just kind of give you a glimpse into it. So um, after you put your data in, the first thing you want to do is, again, select the columns to visualize here on the right. And just to explain a bit, nesting is when one category goes inside of another. So if you look at this, you can see that there's teams, and then within the teams are the players. So you want to set your nesting to D, which is column D for the teams, comma B, which is the players. So it will put the players inside each of the team circles. The size of the circles are dependent on the contract value. So the bigger the circle, the more money people make. So that is column E. So size it by E. Filter. This has this thing where you can, this menu where you can sort people by the position. So the quarterbacks, outside linebackers. So you want to filter it by column C, which is the position. And then finally, just for the pop-ups, all the information will show up, but the only thing that doesn't is the ranking. So, where they are, how big their contracts are from 1 to 100. So if you add column A, that is what will give you the pop-up. A couple things in the preview, in hierarchy, you want to set it to circles. Nothing to do in labels. In colors, there's a bunch of, I have gone through and given you some hex codes that actually match the teams, the colors of the teams. So it's not just random. And I've put those in here. There are 2 in the instructions that are missing. So what you'll need to do is copy and paste the ones I gave you. And then for Philadelphia and the New York Giants, you're going to go to this website, which is just a website of all the team color codes. So someone put this together, and you can scroll down and find the Eagles. And this gives all kind of the official colors of the Eagles, their logos, the different ways to show this. And again, we're making a website or a web graphic, so you're using HTML, and that's the hex colors. So you're just going to copy and paste this code for the Giants and the Eagles, and you'll do that. Put those in yourself. There's one little... Got to make sure I find the right part. Oh, number formatting. So under number styling, put a $sign in prefix, and what this will do is then when it pulls up the contract value, it'll add that little $sign. So make sure you do that. The header. So you have a couple layers of the header here. We have a title. We have a subtitle. And then we have some instructions that kind of help guide the viewer to use the pull-down menu and the zoom. So make sure you put those in. Again, the details are in the instructions. And finally, a footer. So I put in where I got this information and the URL. So put that there. And then when you're done, you're exporting and publishing. You're taking that URL, and then you're going to put your 2 graphs together into one story.